In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to celebrate a work anniversary on LinkedIn. If you want to share a professional milestone with your network in a simple and polished way, LinkedIn makes it very easy. A work anniversary post can be a great way to reflect on your journey, recognize your team, and stay visible in your professional community without having to create a post entirely from scratch. To begin, open LinkedIn and go to your main feed. This is the homepage where you normally see posts, updates, and activity from your network. Once you're there, look for the area at the top that says Start a Post and click on it to open the post creation window. After the post box appears, look for the option that lets you celebrate an occasion. This is the feature LinkedIn provides for highlighting milestones in a more visual, guided format. Click the Celebrate an Occasion icon to continue. Next, choose the Work Anniversary option. This tells LinkedIn what kind of milestone you're posting about, and it will help format the post around that occasion. It's a quick way to make the message feel more intentional and relevant to your professional audience. From here, you can add a photo or choose one from the options shown below. If you already have an image in mind, such as a professional headshot, a team photo, or something that reflects your time at the company, you can upload that. If not, selecting from the available options can help you create something clean and presentable in just a few clicks. Try to choose an image that looks professional and matches the tone you want for your post. Once your image is selected, click. Next, this will take you to the final preview stage where you can quickly review how everything looks before sharing it. Take a moment here to make sure the post feels right visually and that it represents the milestone the way you want it to. When you're happy with it, click Post, and that's it. Your work anniversary celebration will now be shared with your LinkedIn network. This is a simple but effective way to acknowledge your growth, show appreciation for your experience, and keep your profile active with meaningful professional updates. If you want the post to feel even more personal, make sure the photo you choose supports the message and presents you in a professional light. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.